I've been doing a lot of Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute since I made a vlog, but I am back with another vlog today because guess what? I am in Florida again. So at this point, I don't know. I don't want to even say I'm about to just do a travel vlog because I'm not. Like a travel channel all the time because I'm not. But I haven't vlogged in a while. But I am in Florida again. I'm actually on my way to Tampa right now. I'm sitting in front of a little rest area. But I'm going to take y'all along with me to Tampa. And I'm literally on my way there still trying to figure out what we're going to do. But me and my mom, we're on our way. We just made reservations for a nice little restaurant on the water. It's at 4:30. We're gonna arrive in Tampa at about 2. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do up until our reservation. So I'm looking at some tours and some stuff. It's Memorial Day weekend. It's Sunday, May 28th. So yeah, come along with me on this little vlog. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be consistent this summer with making YouTube videos and traveling and making vlogs. And yeah, so let me know any type of content you want me to make because it's coming. Just kidding. But yeah, not kidding, but for real. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. My mom's on her way back from the rest area now, so we'll be there real soon.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. It burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Look, guys, my hair off my neck.
Under a meadow, 40 victim with me. Arriving to around the shade of gray. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. I wanna be sedated.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Pirate Water Taxi. My name is Becca, and with me I have Holly, and we will be your deck mate. Atlantic bottlenose dolphin, West Indian manatees, and maybe some American alligators if we're so lucky. Oh my! Now to our left is going to be Bayshore Boulevard. That's the world's longest continuous sidewalk at 4.7 miles. It's also the site of our Gasparilla. Now, while we do have one more stop ahead of us, unfortunately, that does conclude the narrated portion of our tour. Thank you guys so much for listening. And as always, the wind and the waves may tip the boats, but only amazing customers tip the crew. Now, thank you guys so much for cruising with Pirate Water Taxi today. Hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day. I do ask that as we approach these stops, everyone remain seated until we are fully and completely docked, as you never know when the tides, the winds, or the captain's abilities may suddenly change. Thank you.
So as y'all been seeing zooming on my video. We've been out and about in Tampa all day. Did the boat ride. Now we're at Jackson's Bistro. It's like a seafood and sushi restaurant. So everything seems like it's gonna be pretty good. We're just waiting for the food. Thankfully, we like stopped and ate some food earlier at some little takeout spot because we was really hungry. It was so sunny, so hot, and I was so hungry, and I was lost. So it was all bad combinations. But luckily we survived and made it to this point. But yeah, this restaurant's pretty nice. Have like a little lemonade. But this is my first time here. I think that boat tour, we really got to see like pretty much the whole downtown. As much as like, as long as we were paying attention, because they brought us through the whole harbor, river, pier, whatever it's called.
It's a river.
Yeah. So yeah, it's been pretty nice.
The Hillsborough River.
Got the shrimp scampi. All types of stuff in there. This is lobster mac and cheese. Got some lobster. This is their jumbo crab cake. It looks like it's baked. It looks good. So we're on the boat again. We're riding around Tampa. We got some food twice. We got like, went to one place for like some snacks and appetizers when we first got here because we were so hungry. But yeah, like look at the view. Look at the view on this little boat we're riding. It's just right around the water. It's nice